Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got another Mavic 2 video for you today, basically accessory video. This one here is pretty much an essential video if you're going to be carrying around your Mavic and you want something small and portable to carry it in. So this is a case I got off Amazon. It's in the background here and it fits the Mavic 2 Pro with a Fly More kit. And believe it or not, I got this bugger packed full of stuff, which I will show you in a minute. It's pretty affordable too. It's right around about $37, $40. I can't really say because Amazon, their prices go up, they go down. But if you want to buy it, link will be down below in the description. And if you do purchase it through there, I'll receive a very small commission because I am an Amazon affiliate member, which will help support this channel. Now that that's out of the way, let's take a look at the case. Alright guys, so here the case is here. You got your carrying strap. You got a couple of side hooks here for shoulder strap if you want to carry it that way. Here's the back of it. It's really nice. It's basically a hard case. I mean, it's not super solid hard, but it's definitely very sturdy. So let's open this up and show you what all it can hold. Zippers work really nice. And when you open it up, you have a compartment up top here, which I have my iPad in. This is the iPad Mini 4 with the leather case on it. I do have a cable, basically my charging cable that I use for my iPad. Have that in there. It has this divider pocket here, which I am going to spin around for you. I need to get one of those bands for my Mavic that holds the props in. But right now Amazon Prime shipping is like a month out, so I haven't ordered one yet. Just because I really don't want to wait a month to get some. But this pocket here, it has all these little individual compartments. So I have another iPad charging cable, different cables for the Mavic Pro remote, the extra thumbsticks, another cable here. This is a longer cable for my phone, for if I put in the tablet holder on my controller. Same with this one for the iPad. This is a longer cable for the iPad. This is like a 1-foot cable. A couple of spare props, and this is just another cable that came with the thing. And this is just a lens cleaning kit for the Polar Pro filters. So that's what I have in that pocket. And then inside, I'll show you here what we got. You want to see a top view. So inside here, we have the DJI Mavic here. We have the 2 spare batteries here. We have the shoulder strap for the case here. We have the controller for the drone here. We have our Polar Pro Cinema Series Vivid filters. This is our Skyreet basically iPad holder, which folds up really nice. So this is a tablet holder for the controller. Like I say, it folds up really nice and compact, so I can fit it in here. I'm trying to do this one-handed for you guys. Then I have another battery here. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 batteries in here. This is a car charger right here. And this is a cable for the car charger, just for the DJI charger, not the car charger, I'm sorry. This is just a regular DJI charger for batteries and controller, and the cable for it to plug into the wall. And then my iPad tablet wall adapter. So if I need to plug in something with USB too, that works. So all this stuff fits into this nice small portable compact case. And I tell you what, I really, really like it. I just slide that over, put this in, flip this down. Oops, that was my little cup up there. But yeah, so just flip all that stuff over, slide it down. This goes like this. And I did something backwards here. Alright, I can set them over there. There we go. But if you organize it the right way, everything fits in there nice and snug, guys. Look at that. And you have basically all your accessories right in here. The only thing I didn't fit in here was the multi rapid charger, which I knew wouldn't fit. I'll show you. The only thing I couldn't fit in here was this guy right here, the rapid charger for the drone and the plug-in cable for the wall. But other than that, which you don't need to be carrying that around with you everywhere, anywhere. If I go out filming, 4 batteries usually should be plenty. Definitely worth checking out. If you think you want to buy one, links down below in the description. Help support my channel, guys. Any questions, comments, leave below down in the description. And until then, favorite, like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys in a future video, and thank you very much for supporting the channel. Later.